this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install deleted apps on your Android phone. So if we go to the Google Play Store right here and we just open this up, go to your name in the top right, your profile picture. Go down to Manage Apps and Devices. So we can go to where it says Manage right here. If you delete an application, it's still like linked to your account. All you have to do is tap right here, this device, and go to Not Installed. And you should be able to find the app under here. So like I have Google Chrome Beta or something like that. All these different options on here. So you can just select it now. So here's Pixel Camera Services or Pixel Camera. I can go to this and I should be able to just get it back on my phone now. So I have it selected. So let's select one more, Minecraft Education Edition. And go to download. Now it's downloading back on my phone. So you can look at your other devices here too, or your games. You can select your games. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.